God bless you everyone and welcome back to the video. Today we'll continue working on the Mitsubishi Eclipse. As you guys see on the title, today we're working with the Mitsubishi Eclipse and today is Intercooler and Fuel Pump Day. Here I have the intercooler, which is also in black and it looks gorgeous. This one is actually 28 long by 7 inch of height and 2.5 wide. And here we have the quantum fuel system. This one is at 255 lph and we're gonna get these two on the car. So we're gonna go ahead, remove the bumper, let's go. Keep going, a little bit more, keep going, keep going, keep going. A little bit, a little more. A little more forward. Un poquito más. That's good. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start working with the fuel pump while Manny do some fat work in the front. So luckily this car is all stripped inside, so it should be a lot easier. So you guys can see the fuel pump is actually right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything out, so let's go. A couple bolts later and I'm out. 4 bolts, release this. Remove 2 plugs over here. I remove one of the one of the hose, one of the fuel lines, and I also have this line that I have to remove. So this one is a little interesting. So this plastic ring have to be spin left. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and tap it with a hammer and hopefully I'll be able to take it out. But so far we're looking good, boys and girls, we're looking good. Successfully, me and Manny got the fuel pump out, and the lesson of the day is make sure you don't fill up your fuel tank. Look at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble this one, which is inside this plastic cover, and assemble the new one. So let's go.
6.5 hours later.
So successfully we got everything assembled. As you guys saw, we have to cut to make space for the strainer. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and run on the car. So I got everything assembled at the moment. I'm just getting ready to make sure everything is working the right way before I pull the last 4 bolts. And hopefully it should work. Well, as you guys can see, we have fuel, which is good. And also went ahead and mount everything back. So we're done here. So now let's proceed with the intercooler. Safety first.
We're gonna plasma cut that out.
Give me, you see how hard it push me back?
Yeah.
See guys, safety first.
We're gonna plasma cut it. It takes too long and I don't know. It's a little sketchy there.
So successfully we got the bumper support cut, and we started with a grinder, but it was too much, so we hit with the plasma cutter as you guys saw in the last clip. And we just got the intercooler there for now. It's not mounted yet. Right now what we're doing is actually making some tabs, because we're gonna make a support from the bottom, just like from here to there. And then after that, that's gonna give us about 1 inch up. And then after that, we need to make sure the bumper clears, and we're looking good, making progress. So the intercooler is mounted already. Well, Manny did actually, he weld metal support, and actually all that is welded over there. And then we weld like this piece over here, and that one is actually holding the intercooler. This thing is super steady. It's going nowhere. Like I can go nowhere. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna mount the intercooler piping that we got marked up on this eye, so that way we don't have to take the bumper off again. So we're gonna do that, and then let's see how it looks. So Manny got the intercooler piping on. This actually is bolt on intercooler piping, and I have to tell you, this thing is looking super nice. I'm very happy. I can't wait to see how the bumper is gonna look. So we just tape the piping, and here's where the tuber is gonna come out, and then the other pipe just come through here, and I have another piping that will go all the way through here, all the way to the throttle with the blow off on, and it's looking super nice. So let's get that bumper on and see how everything looks. You guys see it right there. Are you happy, bro?
Yeah, it's motivated now.
What happened?
It's like
Do you hear the fuel pump? It's making noise. That booster clank there. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. Manny's car now has a brand new intercooler and also have an upgraded fuel pump towards the boost. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell. God bless you all and have a nice day.